An extra tip, and this is actually a very good one, is to look out for the publication history of recent articles in the journal that you wish to submit your work. So in this case, this is the publication history of my first PhD paper, a review paper. As you can see on the side here, the left side, the publication history, the paper was received by the journal on September of 2021, but it was only published in March of this year. And it took all this time to go over the review process and submit to the journal again, then get the paper prepared by the journal so it can eventually be published. So if you go to the journals that you want to publish and you search the papers, the most recent papers, and go to this publication history, you're going to have an idea of how long it actually takes to publish a paper. And the journals often have that information as well, but the issue is that that information also counts desk rejections. So what might happen is that you see that a journal takes like 10 weeks to get your paper ready, but when you submit and you go to the whole process, it actually took 20 weeks, like that double. So the best way for you to know it's, I believe, is this one that you're seeing on the screen right here.